I have a talk beforehand, please. Teacher Menasi, yeah, can you introduce something about your school? Can you introduce something about your school? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Am I audible? Can you hear me? Saviksha ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Perfect audible.
All right.
Yes. How many teachers are joining our session today?
I'll just share something with you from my school. So, is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So, this is our school, Shamford Futuristic School, that is in Uttar Pradesh, north of India. And Mr. Anil Hada is the chairman of our school. And this is me. I'm heading the school.
Yes.
Yeah, our vision obviously to extend the education beyond the narrow walls of the classroom. We do believe in project-based learning, inquiry-based learning, hands-on activities. So our mission is to provide education to all the children. You see, with just nominal fee, we just want to reach the unreached in providing this education.
Yes.
Our logo and motto of the school is spread the light. At your schools, learn more and learn more. So, yeah, the some of the same features of my school. The curriculum is intelligence-centered curriculum is there, and we are adopting to the latest teaching strategies. Our foundation stage this education starts at 3 years plus and kindergarten 3 years.
Yes.
The transport of the school, and these are our classrooms, the smart classrooms. And our laboratories, physics lab, chemistry lab, and biology. Here's the computer lab. And another important feature, the best attraction of our school is aero modeling lab. We have 3D printing lab and aero modeling over here. 3D lab.
Yeah.
Here indoor, outdoor sports facilities are there. Music and dance studio. Craft room. Activity rooms for the children. And here we go with parents with our parents. This year we all had this on the virtual platform to discuss glow areas of our assembly hall. And just this is just a glimpse of shared with you.
Ma'am, there are a lot of echo of your voice. You are connecting with
No, I am device. Am I audible now, Saviksha ma'am?
Ma'am, you are audible, but too much noise come here.
Right now also there is noise?
No.
Oh, actually earlier somebody else's mic was on. That's why it was like that. Yeah.
Oh.
That's why I request all of you, please do keep your mics on mute when you are not speaking, when anybody else is speaking. Even I also do the same. When you people speak, I keep myself on mute so that there should not be any interruption. And may I request Mr. Akhilesh Oja to keep the mic on mute because he is the one whose mic becomes like turn on time and again always.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everybody.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Ma'am, can you just make me
Sure.
presenter during the presentation? I have to show the PPT.
Yes.
Students,
Aradhya, keep yourself on.
नीचे रखो प्लेन दबाना प्लेन दबाना है प्लेन दबाना होनी चाहिए यहाँ क्यों बैठे हो
Thank you, ma'am.
I guess I have to make Siddharth sir also the presenter. Is that so? Yeah. But he has not joined in yet, I guess.
Ma'am, me also.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yes.
Siddharth sir, because of short of time, we may not discuss the vision and mission. Okay, Aditya sir, I'm talking to you, but we will be playing the anthem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir.
Yeah, I have made you the presenters. All right. So I formally again welcome the students and the mentor from Vietnam, and we are really very delighted to have you on this virtual platform to discuss about the various cultures of the two countries. So first of all, may I just ask you, I am just asking for your permission. Shall we begin, ma'am? I guess the screen is frozen now. Excuse me, ma'am, am I audible? Shall we begin? Am I audible, Hemant sir?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
But we have paused it. The video is also paused. Samantha, please mute yourself because there is so much echo from your side.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, early morning work is going on, na? That's why.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Siddharth sir. I've already made you the presenter. I guess I'm not able to get confirmation from their side so that we can start with our presentation. Their screen is frozen, I guess. So, see, they all are sitting in one room.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, all of you. Now, in between, nobody would be asking again and again, speaking again and again. So maybe they'll be joining again because of some internet issue. I guess they have left the meeting. So by the time, let me check. Ojas is ready. So Ojas is going to dance. Yeah. Yeah, they are here. I can see. Oh, hi. Shall we begin? Yeah, you may please begin. Now I would like to hand over to Apeksha ma'am. Apeksha Pandey. Please, Apeksha, begin.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Just a minute. Am I now visible, ma'am?
Yes, Apeksha, you are perfectly visible.
A very pleasant good morning to one and all present here. As we all know that today we all are here to discuss different cultures of different countries. So, without wasting so much of your time, I would like to start assembly with remembering God. So, I would like to invite Aditi of grade 2, who will sing the Gayatri Mantra.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ शान्ति 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 थैंक यू
Okay, thank you, Aditi. Now I would invite Samar Bhaiya of class 10, who will tell us the English explanation of this Gayatri Mantra.
We meditate. Good morning, everyone. I'm Samar Porwal from grade 10th of Shamford Futuristic Tetwal School, Oraya. I am here to tell you the English meaning of Gayatri Mantra. We meditate on the glory of the Creator, who has created the universe, who is worthy of worship, who is the embodiment of knowledge and light, who is remover of all signs and ignorance. May he enlighten the intelligence. Thank you.
Thank you, Samar Bhaiya. Now I would like to hand over to Vaibhav Mishra of grade 11th and her team for their presentation.
Just a minute, Apeksha. I just would like to intervene here. I just want to confirm whether the screen is visible or not for the presentation, which has to be displayed. Just a minute.
No problem.
Will take a couple of minutes.
You are on mute. You are on mute. Please unmute yourself. You need to unmute yourself.
Yes. Can I just ask?
Yes.
The screen visible?
Yes.
Himanshu, screen is
Yes.
visible.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, okay. Yeah. We talk about our country. Then now let's article about our personal identity. Yes.
Yeah,
Begin?
please begin. There can be some noise because they are there in the classroom, so there can be some chit chat. So that is perfectly fine. You will please begin, Vaibhav.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Apeksha. Respected principals, worthy teachers, and all the students, we welcome you all to this incredible panoramic journey of India. Let me introduce to my team members, Kratika, Vaishnavi, and I, Vaibhav Mishra. We are the students of grade 11th. But before we begin our presentation, we would like to thank the school management for keeping their faith in us and giving this opportunity to explain what India indeed. We have given a name to our presentation, that is India in details. India can be well known through its constitutional preamble that reads, "We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India to sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens So this picture you all can see various cultural and religious diversity of India. Now moving to the next slide. Here are some views of global scholars about India. John Bernard Shaw, a famous Irish writer, has praised the Indian lifestyle for its nationality and simplicity, as he praises by saying, "The Indian way of life provides the vision of the natural and the real way of life. We veil ourselves with unnatural masks. On the face of India are the tender expression which carry the mark of the Creator's hand." Another famous scientist, Albert Einstein, also praises India's contribution in the field of maths, as he says, "We owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made." Now let us begin by knowing the historical distinction of India. Obviously, the world has already seen a lot of bloodshed so far from its origin, but you will surely surprise after knowing that India never invaded any country in her last 100,000 years of history. When many cultures were only nomadic forest dweller over 5,000 years ago, Indians stabilized Harappan culture in Sindhu Valley. The name India is derived from the river Indus. The word the world's first university was established in Takshila in 700 BC. More than 10,500 students from all over the world studied more than 60 subjects. Ayurveda is the earliest medicine known to mankind. The father of medicine, Charaka, consolidated Ayurveda 2,500 years ago. Now moving to next slide. If you want to know unity in diversity, then you should come to India. This slide will truly let you know about the cultural and religious diversity of India. India is a unique mixture of Eastern and Western values. That means we are open by mind and disciplined by rule. There are moving 32 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the country. All the major world religions are represented in India, as you can see from this pie chart. There are 36 most famous festivals. Now, the another. So, ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Vaibhav, you are audible, beta.
Okay, so Indian cultural diversity praised all over the world, and the famous British writer Mark Twain has written as, "India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great grandmother of tradition. Our most valuable and most constructive material in the history of man are the treasured up in the India only." Now moving to the next slide. This is the collage which we had made for your better understanding. The first one is different classical dance form, second shows different seasons, and the third shows the famous Bridge Holi, fourth shows different people of the different states, and the fifth shows the most tradition southern thali of food. Six is the Padmanabhan temple, and obviously the next image doesn't need any introduction, that is Taj Mahal. And below this upper image is Golden Temple, which is religious place of Sikh, and the next is Kailash Temple, which will truly surprise you all after knowing that this temple is made by only cutting off one rock. That is why India is also called Incredible India. Now I would like to call Vaishnavi, who will tell us scientific and technological achievement of India.
Thank you, Baba, for giving me this opportunity and so beautiful explanation. India has made significant progress in the field of science and technology. First, India obtained nuclear capacity in 1998, defying the pressure of allied countries. Then, the most important point is India's Mangalyaan mission was cheaper than auto ride cost rupees 7 a kilometer. Can you believe that? Then, India is the only nation in the world to be successful in its maiden attempt. Then PSLV C-37 successfully carried and deployed a record 104 satellites in sun-synchronous orbit. Then India's maiden moon exploration mission Chandrayaan-1 was launched in October 2008 for moon for mapping. In October 2008, for mapping the lunar surface with high resolution remote sensing, study the chemical and mineralogical composition. Then India's IRNS is now part of worldwide radio navigation system. Merchant vessel ships can use IRNSS to obtain position information similar to GPS. Now we move to here is in the next slide. Here is some of the newspaper cutting in which India wins praises of global community in scientific achievement. Their first is India leap towards moon. Then Mission Possible. Then India launches world record 104 satellites into space in single mission. And these are the glimpses of India in scientific achievement. Thank you. And now I would like to call Pratika.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Let's talk about India's achievement in the field of medical. The year 2020 was very difficult for all of us, as we know, suffered with this pandemic COVID-19. Let's know how India played a vital role during the pandemic and helped others and other nations also. India shipped hydrochloroquine tablets to 13 countries in first consignment. The first list includes 13 countries: US, Spain, Germany, Bahrain, Brazil, Nepal, Bhutan, Afghanistan, Maldives, Bangladesh, Seychelles, Mauritius, and the Dominican Republic. 2 made in India COVID vaccine in record time show India's talent. India contributes to about 60 to 70% of global supplies of vaccine and is again set to become a hub in the COVID-19 vaccine manufacture for Indian vaccine candidates and global pharma companies. India, to follow HCQ model, will send COVID vaccines to neighbors after local demand is met. India strives to help the global family and wins praises all over the world. There was a tweet by Bill Gates that it's great to see India's leadership in scientific innovation and vaccine manufacturing capability as the world works to end the COVID-19 pandemic. The ex-president of WHO all praises India's efforts for COVID-19. Brazilian
Okay,
president.
please just yes, Kritika, that's fine. Please do wind up.
Yes.
Thank you, Hemant sir. So thank you, Kratika, and everybody. It was a wonderful presentation. So now I have my little ones who are dressed up in the local dresses of India. Will be depicting you the culture of Indian culture. They are ready. Yes. The dance forms and all. Yeah, junior one, please get set, go. Yeah, Aditi ma'am, are you ready? Okay, only then we'll be able to interrupt. Right.
Excuse me, we can't see the screen. We can't see the screen. We can only hear the music.
Thank you, Ojas. Thank you. Now we move on to the next child. Next child, please, because they we would like to listen to them also, because we are going to wind up so fast. Aditi, who else is ready?
Aditi Gupta.
Aditi Gupta, Mudit, Radha, everybody please be ready, and we won't take much time because we have to have their presentation as well.
Yeah, Aditi Gupta is on the screen, ma'am. Yeah, Aditi, unmute yourself, beta.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aditi Gupta. I am from Kashmir. Kashmir famous food is meat along with rice. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Aradhya Chauhan. Mudit Sethi.
Good morning, everyone. I am Mudit Sethi from. Good morning, everyone. I am Mudit Sethi from Greater. I am at India. I am from Meghalaya. These momos are our favorite all-time favorite snack. All-time favorite snacks. Thank you. I love you, India.
Ananya Bajpai. Ananya Bajpai. Aradhya Chauhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please. Please perform, beta.
Kim Cho, Madama. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aradhya Chauhan. I am
Radha, your video, is it on? Ananya, unmute yourself.
Kim Cho, Madama. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aradhya and I am from Gujarat.
पहले बोलो तो पहले बात करो पहले.
Kim Cho, Madama. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aradhya Chauhan. I am from Gujarat. The Gujarat famous food is dhokla or dal dhokli. Thank you.
Ananya Bajpai.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, please come on the screen.
Hello friends, my name is Aranya Bajpai. I am from Jaipur. Jaipur's famous food is dal bhati churma. Thank you.
Aradhya Sengar, are you ready for dance, beta?
Ma'am, Mehal is left for this fancy dress.
Yeah, I know, ma'am. I'm just asking for the Aradhya Sengar, Suryansh's sister. Aradhya, are you ready, beta? Yes. Yes, okay, thank you, beta. Aradhya, please switch on your video and audio. Please perform.
Dipti ma'am, we can do it later. Now I would like to I would like to ask them to present. So yeah, yes ma'am, you may please ask your students to share about their culture, their traditions. I hand over the platform to you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you for esteemed comment. Yes, going to begin now. Invited by Sydney interview about our country and about our culture. First of all, I would like to introduce one of my seniors to talk about our country. Yes. So now I
Audible. Yeah. We are waiting for your presentation. We would like to listen to you.
Okay, please let me see the screen. Please let me see the screen. You are not the organizer, so I can't see the screen. Excuse me, you will be yeah, I see. I'm sorry. I'm also recommend for me so that I can set the screen. Recommend for me so that I can set the screen. Excuse me. I can't set the screen. I'm not the organizer. So please recommend for me so that I can set the screen. Recommend for me, please.
Yes, you are audible. You are audible.
Please recommend for me so that I can set the screen. I can't set the screen. Excuse me. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
hear me? Yeah.
We can.
Please make room for me so that I can see as a green. Because I'm not the organizer, so that I cannot see as a green. Make room for me, please. Yes. Make room for me, please. Excuse me, make room for me so that I can see as a green. Because I'm not the organizer, I can't see as a green. So you can't see as a green. Do you see as a green? Excuse me. Excuse me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Please share your screen. I have made you the presenter now. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Can you see my screen now? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you, and your screen is also visible.
I can't hear anyone. I can't hear anyone. I can't hear anyone. I can't hear anyone. Can you hear us? Please turn your microphone, please. I can't hear anyone of you. Okay, so now
Yeah, you are audible. Please go ahead.
okay. Now I say you pronounce our country exactly.
Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jamal Douglas, doing so today I will give you my country, Vietnam, a wonderful country. Vietnam is the Social Republic of Vietnam. Vietnam is located on the Indo-Chinese Peninsula, South Asian, which has an S-shape. Vietnam faces the Pacific Ocean. Vietnam national flag is the capital of Vietnam is Hanoi. Hanoi is the north of Vietnam. This is Market Lake. This is the Dam Bao. This is the temple of Literature and Hanoi Acid Street. Phu Thọ is a province in the northern of Vietnam. In Phu Thọ, there are two world cultural heritage recorded by the UNESCO with something and World Heritage League.
Nó sẽ chưa nó đang ở đâu? Ok, tiếp tục đi.
Something will corresponding value places to the female team. The next picture of something. So Let's enjoy surfing. Clean festival, help on human night, as big to any slides, how we exceeded how in also press and move with mountain lakes and streams. This is cultural lake and another picture of cultural lake is at 99 Iceland. Okay, now we have a tour around so let's enjoy it.
Yes, so change the that can you see the room here? The room here is my room. As you located next to our lake. You see it? Yes. With the room here and the picture on that I sent you. Yeah. And next one I would like to continue one of my favorite to talk about one of my most categories take with the please.
Yes. Thanks a lot for the wonderful presentation. So, how much time do you have right now? 5 minutes? Do you have 5 minutes?
Yes, I will have only 5 minutes. And my next meeting will be presented in 5 minutes. Yes, the link, please. Yes.
Right. Just quickly, so we have Sanger and other.
Okay.
Yeah. There is a little child who has prepared the dance.
Yes.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ely. I'm from Block 11 and 3.
So I guess they have left because of maybe internet issues and all. Aradhya Sanger. Aradhya Sanger, you may please continue with the dance. Anyhow, I'll be sharing the recording with them also. They'll be able to watch it.
Start.
Suryansh? Yes, yes.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aradhya. Good morning.
Start. Karo.
सुंदर मुंदरिए तेरा कौन बेचारा दुल्ला पट्टी वाला दुल्ले पी गया शेर शक्कर पाई कुड़ी दा सालू पाटा सालू कौन समेटे ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਲੋੜੀਆਂ ਮਨਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਪਈਆਂ ਗਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਘੋੜੀਆਂ ਜੋੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਗਨ ਮਨਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਚਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਇਹ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਚਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਬੜਾ ਜੀ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਲੋੜੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਰਾਤ ਆਈ ਚਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਬਰਾਤ ਆਈ खुशियां की रातें आई चावां दी बरातें आई ठंडी ठंडी लगदी हवा लाड मलारां दी लोड़ी मोहब्बतां प्यारां दी लोड़ी लाड मलारां दी लोड़ी मोहब्बतां प्यारां दी लोड़ी लोड़ी सेकण दे सानू नजर पर वेखण दे सानू लोड़ी सेकण दे सानू नजर पर वेखण दे सानू जदों एह आउंदी ए लोड़ी कन्ना तां लाउंदी ए लोड़ी जदों एह आउंदी ए लोड़ी कन्ना तां लाउंदी ए लोड़ी
Lovely, lovely, beautiful, amazing, amazing. Yeah, who else wants to come to screen? Even I would like to request you, Dipti ma'am, when Mudit came on screen, the screen was very hazy. I couldn't see him properly. If he can come, he want to come once again. Okay, I would surely welcome him, and accordingly, that can be there in the recording too.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mudit
So,
Sethi and Suryansh Sanger.
Yeah, Suryansh Sanger.
Yes.
Yes. Suryansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, your face, just a minute. Need fit to frame. Yeah. अच्छा, your face is not visible. जिसने भी मोबाइल या कुछ पकड़ा है, प्लीज उसका चेहरा दिखाइए. I can't see his face. थोड़ा सा सेट करिए. Yes, yes. Good, good. Yes. Speak something, Suryansh.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Suryansh Sanger. I am from Kerala. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, next please, Mudit. Are you ready? Or shall I proceed with the PPT part that Siddharth sir has already got it done? Siddharth sir, I would request you to please start with the PPT.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Arjun, Manya, Vatsalya, and Harsh, all of you, are you ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, first of all, I just display the video, sorry, display the PPT in front of all of us. And now I hand over to this Vasile. Vasile, you may continue.
Okay, sir. Very pleasant morning to Principal Ma'am, Chairman Sir, and all my guests present here today for our special assembly. Myself, Vatsalya Singh from grade 7th. As you all know, India is a country which have many beautiful rivers, and these rivers build the unity in our country because these rivers pass through state to state. A river cut through the rock not because of its power but because of its precedence. With Deep Line, I am here to talk about the river that connect us not only because of its land but also because of its heritage value. There are 2.5 lakhs rivers in the world and 8 major river systems in India with more than 400 rivers in total, as you can see in the map of India as well. Now, my friend Arjun Porwal will take you in the tour of the river. I welcome you all.
Good morning. The river system of India is mainly controlled by the board relief features of the subcontinent. Accordingly, the Indian rivers are divided into two major groups, Himalayan rivers and Peninsula rivers. Himalayan rivers, the rivers which originate from Himalayas, are called Himalayan rivers. The two major Himalayan rivers, the Indus and Brahmaputra, originate from the north of the mountain ranges. Himalayan rivers are also divided into two parts, older Himalayas, young Himalayas, peninsular rivers. The rivers which come from peninsular region is called peninsular rivers. Peninsular rivers are divided into two parts, east flowing river, west flowing river. East flowing river. The rivers which come to India from Bay of Bengal are called east flowing rivers. The main east flowing rivers are Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and Mahanadi. West flowing rivers. The rivers which flow from Arabian Sea to India are called west flowing rivers. The important west flowing rivers are Narmada and Tapi. The major Himalayan rivers from older Himalayas are the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. These rivers are long and are joined by many large and important tributaries. Indus River. The river Indus rises in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar. Flowing west, it enters India in the Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir. Several tributaries, the Jaskar, the Nubra, the Syok, and the Hunjam, join it in the Kashmir region. The Indus flow through Badlistan and Gilgit. And emerges from the mountains at Attock. The Indus Plain has a very gentle slope with a total length of 2900 km. The Indus is one of the longest rivers of the world. A little over a third of the Indus basin is located in India in the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Punjab, and the rest is in Pakistan. Ganga River. The river Ganga emerges in Gangotri Glacier at Haridwar, and then it passes to Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar, and West Bengal. The main stream flows southwards into Bangladesh and is joined by Brahmaputra. Further downstream, it is known as the Meghna, the mighty river, with waters from the Ganga and the Brahmaputra flows into the Bay of Bengal. The delta formed by these rivers is called as the Sundarban Delta. Brahmaputra River. The Brahmaputra rises in Tibet, east of Mansarovar Lake, very close to the sources of Indus and Satluj. It is slightly longer than the Indus, and most of its course lies outside India. It enters India and Arunachal Pradesh through Ajod. Here it is called the Diang, and it is joined by Devang, the Lohit, and many other tributaries to form Brahmaputra in Assam. Indus River. The Indus River has two different types of tributaries, left bank tributaries and right bank tributaries. Left bank tributaries. The tributaries which come from left side of Indus River are called as left bank tributaries. The major left bank tributaries are Jaskar River, Chenab River, Beas River, Jhelum River, Ravi River, and Satluj River. Right bank tributaries. The tributaries which come from right side of Indus River are called right bank tributaries. The major right bank tributaries are Syok River and Gilgit River. Left bank tributaries. Jaskar River. It is the first major tributary of the Indus River. It originated at the northeast of the Great Himalayan Range and drains both the Himalaya and the Jaskar names with the region of Jaskar. Chenab River. It rises in the upper Himalayas in the Laol and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh state, India, and flows through Jammu Kashmir into the plains of Punjab, Pakistan. Nees River. The river rises in the Himachal Pradesh, India, and flows for some 470 kilometers. Jhelum River.
Okay, Arjun.
It is a tributary of the Chenab River and has a total length of about 725 kilometers. It is the westernmost of the 5 rivers of the Punjab region and passes through the Kashmir Valley.
Yes,
Satluj River.
Arjun. Just you need to stop here. Just move to Manya. Now move to Manya.
Okay, Manya, now you
Yes.
can.
Yes, I am Manya Katiyar from grade 7. Now I want to take you forward in this tour of rivers. Rivers are beautiful source of happiness and livelihood. Some of the sacred river flows through India. There are 12 rivers. River Ganga is the largest river system and the sacred river to Hindus. I would like to share some of the views on the formation of River Ganga. River Ganga originates in the Himalaya mountain. In the terminus of Gangotri glacier melt and form Ganga River. It is joined by many tributaries from Himalaya, such as the Yamuna, the Ghagra, the Gandak, and the Kosi. One of the ancient parliament central of India is Prayagraj, representing the meet of river Ganga and Yamuna. Yamuna River. Yamuna River rises from Yamunotri Glacier in the Himalaya. It's parallel to the Ganga and has a right bank tributary meets Ganga at Prayagraj. And the Ghagra, the Gandak, and the Kosi rise in Nepal, Himalaya. The Ganga main tributary which come from the peninsular uplands are the Chambal, the Betwa, and the Son. River Ganga empties into the Bay of Bengal. Now let me share about Brahmaputra River. Brahmaputra River rises in Tibet, east of the Mansarovar Lake, very close to the source of the Indus. Most of its course rise outside the India. Its flow eastward parallel to the Himalaya. Brahmaputra entered India in Arunachal Pradesh. It is joined by Dibak, the Lohit, and many other tributaries to form Assam. Brahmaputra empties in Bay of Bengal. Thank you.
Now, yes, now Harsh Nishad.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you may start.
I am Harsh Nizar of class 9th. I am here to tell you about India's east flowing rivers and west flowing rivers. East flowing rivers means the river that flows from the west of India to the east of India. There are 4 major rivers that flows from east to west. These are Godavari, Kaveri, Mahanadi, and Krishna. First, I will tell you about Godavari. Godavari is situated in South Peninsula and is the second largest river basin in India that covers 10% area of India. It flows for 1,665 kilometers, draining the states of Maharashtra, Arunachal Pradesh, Orissa, Arunachal Pradesh, and Telangana. The second river we have is Kaveri. Kaveri is sacred river to the peoples of South India. It is also worshipped as the goddess Kaveri Amma. The length of this river is 756 kilometers. The third river we have is Mahanadi. Mahanadi is also known as Sorrow of Orissa. This flows through the central India to the rising hills of southeastern India, and the length of this river is almost 856 kilometers. And Krishna Valley, and this river is the fourth biggest river in terms of water inflows and the river basin after Ganga, Godavari, and Brahmaputra. This river is almost 1,000 meters long. Out from it are classified in left bank river and right bank rivers. This means the river that comes out from the left banks are known as left bank river, and the right banks, these are called right banks. There are three right banks rivers that are Ghataprabha, Malprabha, and the Tulprabha. And the another hand we have the left bank river that are Musi rivers, Bhima river, and Minuri rivers. And we have west flowing rivers. The river which flows from west to east is known west flowing rivers. There are two west flowing rivers that are Narmada and Tapi. Narmada is also known as Riva, and its previously name was Narmada. It flows from Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. It is also known as the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. The length of this river is 1,312 kilometers. And the second river we have is Tapti. Tapti river is situated between river Ganga and river Narmada. It is the origin near Multai Reserve Forest in Madhya Pradesh, and the length of this river is 724 kilometers.
Now, Vasale.
Yes, sir, I will continue. In the end, I want to say that government has censured 305 projects for total values of rupees 20,000 crore in 5 years to accomplish conservation and rejuvenation of rivers in 5 years. With this, I say thank you. Thank you to all of you.
Thank you, Vatsalya. Thank you. Now, may I request Mudit also to please come on the screen and share. And because Mudit, whosoever is holding the mobile, last time somebody was putting hand also in front of the camera and you were not visible. Okay, so it has to be stable somewhere. I'm just putting you on spotlight. Please to begin with your presentation. Yes.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. I am Mudit from grade 3rd. I am from India. I am Meghalaya. These are momos. These are our all-time favorite snacks. Thank you. I love my India.
Thank you, Mudit. Thank you. Yeah, is there anybody else who is there for the presentation? Anyone else? So because she just rang me up and she is saying like it was her class for 40 minutes. Obviously the class time is over, right? Nothing else now. Shall we begin with the national anthem now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please share the screen and we will play national anthem of both the countries. Though they are not here, but we will be sharing the full presentation video recording with them. Okay. So Aditya sir, please, yes. You may share the screen. And their national anthem first and then ours. Okay. They being the guest. May I request all to please stand? Please stand.
Ma'am, please see once our faces are visible or not.
Listen, can I?
Yes, Aditya sir, please start playing. Aditya sir, play our national anthem now, and so that we can wind up the assembly.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
So thank you all of you for your collaboration, for making the children prepared for this wonderful collaborative assembly. Hemant sir, Siddharth sir, Dipti ma'am, everybody, all of you who all have cooperated for making this event a success. So because they were having short time, they were just collaborating during their class hour. Okay, 40 minutes time was there for a class as usual, as we are already having 40 to 45 minutes during this live classes. So even I have asked her, like whatever age group she is dealing with, we may have collaborative classes of that particular student. This was just an introductory session, and together we may have more classes, collaborative classes with different countries and within our country with different states as well. So I am already looking forward to this collaboration with different schools so that our children can know about the culture of course, the different states of our country and maybe the different countries of the world. When we say world is one family, you might have heard about Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. World is one family, then let's be one family. For that, we should know about each other. That is the first step. And definitely there can be some technical glitches. They are always there. But even we are thankful to this technology. Because of this, we are able to come closer to each other. We are able to know more about each other. Wonderful presentation by the students. Wonderful. They were dressed up beautifully. They danced beautifully. The little ones, they just add charm to every assembly. Wonderful. It's just glad to see all of the little ones. Okay, so all the children who are here right now listening to me, beta, we will be having lot many collaborative classes. Okay, so who is calling? So be prepared for those classes. right? And please do not miss your classes. Do not miss your live classes, right? We may have anytime some collaborative class. Look forward to these classes, okay, and share your insights. Your teachers are already doing wonderful jobs, right? Excuse me, please. So I guess you all have missed your first lesson, though I asked Mr. Sunny, like 11th class will be having the lesson today, but no problem, no issues. We don't get such opportunities every day. They are very rare. Okay, it's very difficult to find somebody to collaborate because they are also spending a lot of time from their busy schedule, right? Please, if you come across anyone who wants to, who wish to collaborate, please do talk to me and we will surely go ahead with your plan, right? So thank you. Thank you very much, all of you.